having a wonderful day. Tracy here with you, and I just received my SCT Sampler, first one for 2022. I've been subscribed to them for I don't know how long, ever since they began. But anyway, what this is SCT has this sampler, and they just give you samples of different products, and I'm so good at using them at the beginning of the year, and then I kind of like taper out as the year goes by. But again, this year my goal is to use each one as it comes. So this is my address. They didn't put this on here. My address is under here, so that's why I put that there. So I think it's so cute. I think it's so cute that they have their little sticker on there. So I thought I would open it up with you because everybody's saying, oh, it's like the best one so far. So we will see. We will see. So they come in this plastic bag. Oh, okay, so far I love the beginning of that one. Sorry about that. I just kind of knocked over my camera here. So here is the sampler, and just a reminder, you don't get the whole collection, you get pieces of the collection, and sometimes there's different collections. So the first thing that we will start with is they always have an inspirational card. I've used a couple of the cards, but actually I'm hoarding all the other ones. Some ladies have framed them in their rooms, which I really like that idea. So here's this month's card. Where there is love, there is life. And then on the back, just want to cover up something because there's a website thing you're supposed to check out if you're a member of the sampler. So they tell you what is in your sampler, and this month we have Simple Stories, Good Stuff collection, and then, ooh, there's some exclusive dies. So there's that. So let's get into the package. Here we go. So what do we have here? We have some, oh, these are like a foam, so these are foam stickers here. And then we have a double frame. Move this out of the way. There's a double frame there. And then we have some, well, here we'll show this first. We got, see, there's a sample. So one of every size of the, whoa, my brain is not working today. What are these called? Not pop dots. Nope. Enamel dots. There we go. I need more water today. There's some enamel dots, and then we have some die cuts. Very retro. Roller skate. Take me out. And here this. What is that? Is this an @ symbol? There we go. Wow. I need some water. So here's the die cuts. This could have been used on my New Year's Eve page because we had takeout. We had Chinese food. And this, I love this. This one is one of my favorites of the die cuts because I love calendars. Anything to do with calendars. I don't know why, I just do. So there's all the die cuts I have. And then these are journal cards. So we have documented, and then on the back they have the pattern paper. Very retro looking these papers are. So you can use that, or you can use the backs. And then I'll do this one now. This, oh my goodness. This is so far, well, this is my favorite so far, I think, so I'll leave that to the end. So then we have two sticker sheets. This one here has all these little sayings, which I love. I like this. I will be using these for sure. And then these circle ones. Don't know if I'll be using those, but I will be using the word ones for sure. And then, what size is this? Would this be, does it tell us the size of these ones? No. 5 by 7? No. Yes? That looks really big for a 5 by 7, but I could be wrong. So here we go, they're papers. And then the backs. Another one. Another one. All these cut aparts. Again, very retro. Well, it's sad that that's retro. I still have a whole bunch of these. Very bright and bold papers in here. I like that one and that one. I like the back of that paper. I like that and that. And I like that paper. So there are the papers. And then my fave, because I seen that it says love, and I love love and I love hearts. So there's that. And what is, oh, look at that. It's like the outline. Okay, that is worth it right there. I love that. And then we get hearts, and these have stitched. They're stitched around them. So they're stitched hearts dies. Oh yeah, that is definitely worth it. Oh my goodness. These, love those. Now I'm trying to figure out, because I have my planner, my yearly album for 2022, and I was thinking I would use the sampler each month in it, but I don't know, I really don't think these are going to go, maybe a sticker or so, but I really don't think these are going to go with my planner, which I will show you the setup in another video. But here is everything I got from my STC sampler, and I will show you what I do with it. I have no idea right now. Nothing is coming to mind what I can do with it besides these dies. I love the dies. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know. I'm stumped on this one. Usually I can figure out something, but I'm kind of stumped on this. So when I figure out what I'm going to do with this all, I will share it with you. And you know what? I guess they don't have, usually they'd have a resin piece, like, oh, I brought my planner upstairs. Oh, no, I didn't right here. Usually they have a resin piece, like last year they had that resin piece, but they didn't have resin pieces in this time. Interesting. So that is my sampler for January 2022, brand new year. So if you want to get the sampler, if you wanted to sign up for it, just check out scrapbookandcards.com, and they have lots of neat stuff on there. And like I said, I will share with you what I make with this once I figure it out. So thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you're all healthy, and I hope you all have a very creative day today. Bye now.